Windows users have many different options to connect to the ARC cluster. They may choose to use the command line through something like WSL, or they may choose to use one of the many available graphical SSH clients, such as PuTTY or MobaXterm. Here I will show you how to download and use MobaXterm to connect to the ARC cluster. We can get MobaXterm through its official website. Go to the download menu. We can select the free home edition, and we can choose either the portable edition or the installer edition. The main difference is that the installer edition will place icons on your start menu and your desktop, while the portable edition is simply a folder that you can place whenever you like. Let's choose the portable edition to keep things simple. Once it finishes downloading, we can go to our downloads folder to see the MobaXterm zip file. We can select it and right click it, select extract all and extract. This will produce a folder. We can move this folder wherever we like to keep things organized, hence why it is called a portable program. For example, I will move it to my documents folder to keep it handy. Once we're ready, we can go into it and run the MobaXterm personal.exe. This is going to be the main MobaXterm window. In order to connect to a cluster like the ARC, we go ahead and click on the top left the session button. We select the session type SSH. The remote host is going to be either stokes.ist.ucf.edu or newton.ist.ucf.edu, depending on which cluster you want to use. We are also going to specify our username, which is going to be our NID. Once we are ready, we can click OK to test the connection. Since this is the first time connecting, we simply hit accept, and it's going to ask us for a password. We go ahead and input our NID password, and just like that, I will recommend that you choose to not save your program, your UCF password in MobaXterm. Instead, just be prompted for your password every time you want to connect. And just like that, we are connected into the cluster. The next time that we want to connect to the cluster using MobaXterm, we can simply select the star icon on the left hand side to see a list of recently used sessions. We can simply select the last one and double click it, enter our password again, and that should place us right back into the cluster. One of the advantages of using MobaXterm compared to some other SSH clients is that it incorporates a number of features. For example, the file browser extension, which you can see on the left hand side, that will allow you to copy files from your computer to the cluster and vice versa. For example, if we have a file or folder in the cluster that we would like to download, we simply look for it on the file browser and then just select the item and then right click download, and we can save it wherever we like on our computer. Similarly, we can upload files from our computer to the cluster by simply drag and dropping files from the Windows File Explorer into MobaXterm. And there it is. That folder was just uploaded.